In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to an eBay listing while you're creating the item listing. To get started, sign into your eBay account. Once you're on eBay, go to the top right corner, hover over Sell, and then choose List an Item. Now, enter what you're selling in the field provided and press Enter. eBay may load a page with matching product suggestions. If you see an exact match, you can select it to help pre-fill parts of the listing. Otherwise, choose Continue Without Match to create the listing manually. After the page reloads, select the condition of the item you're selling. Then click Continue. This helps buyers understand whether the product is new, used, or in another condition before they purchase. Quick side note, for more practical eBay tutorials like this, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once you're in the listing form, scroll to the Photos and Video section. This is where you can add visual content that helps buyers inspect your item. Click Video, and your computer's file browser will open. Locate the video file you want to use, select it, and then click Open. You can also press Enter after selecting the file. eBay will begin uploading the video, so wait for it to finish uploading and processing before moving on. Once it's ready, the video will be attached to your listing alongside your photos. From there, complete the rest of your listing details, including the title, description, price, shipping information, and any other required fields. When everything looks right, scroll to the bottom of the page and click List It to publish the listing with your video included. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your eBay listing.